Hey YouTube fam, my name is Faustine. I found these beautiful mushrooms, parasol mushrooms. They were actually much smaller when I originally picked them, and overnight they just got huge. I'm on a mission to try and cook these beautiful mushrooms out in the wild. And this mushroom's like literally bigger than my face. I'm gonna stop by this little market, get some food. I'm at the property, and Pee-wee and little Fajaninu are just they're eating so many chestnuts, which is a problem in itself that we're gonna work on resolving ASAP by picking them up. But for now, I am going to go look for some rocks. Trying to see where I'm going to set up a little outdoor kitchen. We got our supplies here thanks to the donkeys. And to get my fire started, I'm really gonna count on Jax. No, off. I'm really gonna count on Jax to get me like small pieces of wood. No, go get a stick, Jax. Go get a stick. Preferably a small one. Jax, go get a stick. The problem is that Jax likes to get like really big sticks, right? Making a fire is actually way harder. It actually takes a lot more patience than I had thought. I'm just so used to like starting a fire with like lighter fluid that this makes it a very different experience. I'm really trying to give it what it needs to naturally take. All right. I need to start cooking because it's gonna start raining. Now I got my baby. All right, got this baby here, and then I have parsley. I have these mushrooms as well, and these mushrooms, I'm gonna put them in the stuffing. Wow. All right. We're gonna go in here. This kind of sucks, but it's officially raining. So I'm just gonna cut some parsley. Gotta have garlic. I know, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain, little guy. It's starting to rain. I'm just gonna get this bad boy ready. I didn't have a whole lot of time to read up on it, but hopefully what I'm doing is not an official cooking crime. I'm gonna take the stem off. Woo, we did it. We did it. I know. All right. So I cut the stem off and I'm going to cut it a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna cut it just right here. Right there. I mean, this thing was so small and like all closed up yesterday when I first picked it. And in like a little over 24 hours, it's incredible how much it's like opened up. All right, it's raining even more now. Put it in foil. My little thingies. Oh, just gonna remove it. 2 seconds. And then I'm gonna place all of this goodness on here. Oh my God, it's raining. Ah. Okay, and I'm gonna put this back. Woo. Okay. Shit, it's really raining now. Oh no. I'm gonna put a little bit of breadcrumbs. I got it. And then I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna wrap it up. And I'm gonna put it back in here. Into a ball. I'm gonna put it in there. Boom. Jax is looking at me like, Mama, it's raining. I know, baby. I know. All right. I got the dog back in the car. I have this Corsican. It's like I wouldn't call it a pastry. It's like a type of bread. And I'm just gonna add it on there. This is called a migliacci. I already ate half of it, but these are typically baked in the oven. It's like a really good bread with cheese. So I'm gonna add this to my little fire pit. Oh snap, I think this is done. We're just gonna call it done. All right. This was like a whole afternoon project, but I am ready for the reveal. So I'm gonna be right back. Be right back. Oy. Looking back on this whole experience, just off the bat, there's about 2 things I could have done better. 1, hygiene, right? Washing your hands, properly washing everything. And 2, I would say fire skills. So definitely gonna get better at that. Ooh la la! I got my little mittens. All right. Hope it's not burnt. Hee. I did it! This is officially like my first campfire dinner. This reminds me of a portobello mushroom. Mmm. Mmm. Also, I think it's funny because like now that I'm not trying to have the fire going, it's going. Mmm. Pretty good. If you're looking for a parasol mushroom, I found my parasol mushroom near chestnut trees. So I found it actually underneath the chestnut tree with chestnut leaves and all of that around it. Right now I'm surrounded by chestnuts and you could just hear them fall like thunk, thunk, thunk. You can hear the raindrops.